Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to build a business store on Etsy. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser and go to the Etsy website, that is www.etsy.com. And once you're in Etsy, as you can see, I already have my account right here in my store setup, so I'm just gonna sign this out. And I'm gonna show you how to get started. So first I'm gonna go to sign in right here, and I'm gonna click on register because for example I don't have an account yet. So you can enter your email address, your first name, your password, or you can just simply continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. Now in my case, I just want to continue with Google. And next, choose the Google account that you want to continue with. So I'm just going to click on this right here. And now it's processing, as you can see. And there you have it. You have your Etsy right about now. So what you want to do right here is go to Sell on Etsy. Click on this profile icon right here and click on Sell on Etsy. Now once you've done that, it will automatically lead you to this page and click on Get Started. But before I click on Get Started, here are some rules and regulations for Etsy. So it has great value, so list your first item for just 20 cents. So you only pay transaction, payment, processing, and offsite advertising fees when you make a sale. So this is pretty much self-explanatory, and your first item should be at least 20 cents. And they have powerful tools, so they have tools and services to make it easy to manage, to promote, and you can grow your business with. So they also have support and education, so reach out an Etsy support specialist anytime you need a hand. So they will basically help you if you have a lot of questions regarding on Etsy, regarding on how to sell on Etsy, etc., etc. And there you have it. So for now, let's click on Get Started right here to start selling on Etsy. So as you can see right here, it says welcome. We are so excited to help you bring your shop to life. So just click on Let's Do This. So as you can see right here, what brings you to Etsy? So we'll help you guide the process to success, whether you're pro or brand new to selling. So just click on whatever what brings you to Etsy, whatever the reason you have. So I'm just gonna click on I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. So just click on next, or you can skip this question if you don't feel like answering it. So just click on next right here if you want to answer it. And next is there anything you'd like help with? So choose as many topics as you want. We'll share resources to help you grow. So if you want to have a topic on designing what to sell, so Etsy will customize that on contents on what they will be giving you. So for now, I'm just gonna click on selling online, pricing items, and of course deciding what to sell. So once I've done that, I'm just gonna click on next, or you can just skip this question if you don't feel like answering it. So I'm just gonna click on next right here. And now it's time for the fun part. We'll walk you through creating your shop and filling it with items. So as you can see right here, just click on start your shop to start selling on Etsy. But before selling on Etsy, you still have a lot to do. So shop preferences. So your shop language, just select whatever language you feel like. And your shop country, just select on wherever you're residing right now. And the shop currency, it's all up to you, but I'm just going to click on Philippine Peso right here because I'm currently in the Philippines. And next, just click on save and continue. Now next is name your shop. So enter your shop name. So just enter the shop name that you desired right here. So I'm just gonna click on Mix Shop like that. So make sure there are no special characters, no spaces or accented letters. So make sure to do this. And there's no special characters like that. So as you can see, if a shop name is already taken, Etsy will try to look at it and they will offer similar options from our handy name generator instead. So for now, I'm just going to click on this one right here, and it says great thinking, this name is available. And next, once you decide on your shop name, just click on save and continue. So as you can see on this page right here is to create a listing. So to create a listing, you have to take a picture of your product you want to sell. So if you have a product in mind, you can add a photo right here. But for now, I don't have a product right now, so you can leave this blank and you can do this anytime in the future if you have a product to sell on hand. So you can also add a video of your product, and you can also add a listing details to your product. So you can also choose what about this listing. So who made this? You can select a member of my shop, another company or person, or you can choose I did. What is it? A finished product, like that. And that's it. So once I scroll down, you can also select the category of your product. If you are selling men's clothes, you can select men's fashion. If you're selling women's clothes, you can select women's fashion. Or if you're selling some coffee appliances or any other appliances, you can type on appliances right here. And of course, the renewal option means that the listing will renew as it expires for 0.20 cents US dollars. So you can also click on manual right here if you don't want Etsy to automatically renew your plan or like that. So next is the type. So if you're selling physical products like coats, like appliances, like fashion items, you can click on physical. Or if you are selling digital products like digital art, some music like that, you can click on digital right here. So moving on, let's say I filled this up. I'm just gonna click on save and continue. Oops. So we need to add a product. So at least I'm just gonna add a product. For example, right here, let's search on a photo real quick. So this is just for example, guys. So right here, I'm just gonna click on this product right here. I'm gonna click on open. If you have a video with product, you can add a video. So make sure the listing looks best with photos at least 2000 megapixels wide. So let's choose a photo that has 2000 megapixels wide. So I hope this will fit. It's still not good enough. So next, let's try this one. There you have it. So once I've done that, I'm gonna add a video if you have a video. So for now, I don't have a video, so I don't want to add a video. And now title, just click on coffee beans. Would you make it 2023? So as you can see right here, you can do this whatever you like or whatever product you are currently selling. So for now, I'm selling coffee, so I'm just gonna click on coffee right here. So like that. So primary color, I'll click on the primary color. It is brown, and the secondary color should be black because as you can see right here, this depends on what I'm selling. So it is caffeinated. Click on yes, organic ingredients. So I'm just clicking anything right here, guys. So it's up to you whether whatever input you want to put in here. So description, I'm just gonna click on coffee beans right here. And the price must be between 11.56 and up to 2 million pesos. So I'm just gonna put a price like this on 12 right here. So enter a valid postal code. I'm just gonna enter my postal code right here. Select your processing time, just 1 business days. And standard shipping, select a delivery time. So I'm just gonna click 3 right here, 3 to 4 business days. So it's up to you if you want to charge some shipping and everywhere else right here. The delivery time should be at least, it's up to you, 1 to 3 business days rather. So I guess that's it for this. Now moving on, I'm just gonna click on save and continue if you've done everything under create a listing. So I'm just gonna click on save and continue. And now it says, great job, this is your first listing, you're 1 step closer to your first sale. So next is, if you want to add more listing, you can just click on this. If you want to do this later, just click on do this later. So for now, I'm just going to click on do this later. And now it will lead you to how you will get paid. So getting paid on Etsy. To protect our marketplace and new sellers, a percentage of earned funds may be set aside in a temporary reserve for some new shops. So as you can see right here, it says where is your bank located. So I'm just gonna select Philippines, of course. So it says great, your deposit will be in Philippine peso currency. So for tax purposes, what type of seller are you? So if you're an individual, most sellers on Etsy fall into this category. If you have a business, if you have a corporation, or if you have a big business, you can just click on business right here. But for now, I'm just starting, so I'm just gonna click on individual. So tell us a little bit about yourself. Just click on the country of your residence right here. So I'm the Philippines. My first name right here and my last name right here, and your birthday, of course. And of course, it needs a TIN number right here and a taxpayer's address. So make sure you have a TIN number or a taxpayer's address. So your bank information right now is to make sure to fill your bank name, the accurate bank name, and of course your SWIFT or BIC, and I hope you know what is a SWIFT and a BIC, and of course your account number. So once you've done that, everything is put into order right here. So as you can see, I can't continue because I don't feel like putting my information right here about my bank account. So once you've done that, it will go to setup billing, and once you're in setup billing, just set up your billing information. So they will ask for a bank account again, and where your billing address will be likely at. And once you've done that, your shop security. So under shop security, they will ask for a password if you want some customers to go to your shop by adding a password. So if you don't want that, just click on no right about there. And of course, I think that's it so far for this video. And I think I basically covered everything except right here on this too, because I'm stuck on this right here. And just make sure when you go to setup billing, you should put the accurate billing account or your billing address to avoid confusions in the future. And of course, your shop security, like I said before, if you want your customers to go to your shop, and if you will require a password, you can do that. If you don't want to require a password for them to access your shop, it's still okay. So it's basically up to you. So I think that's it for this video, and I sincerely hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!